first step on the power steering pump. We're gonna need to get in between these fan blades. Take a, looks like a 1/2 inch, doesn't look like a 3/8. We'll see here. Oh, come on. Yeah, it's a 1/2 inch. We're gonna go this way with it. There we go. There we go. I just put it back over the alternator and pulled on the belt. All right, while this thing's still in the car, we're going to take this 16mm wrench and break this loose. Okay. That's what we want. Broken loose. Okay. Like I said, the belt, we're going to get rid of the belt. We're going to put a brand new belt on. Now we can't actually figure out where this thing's leaking from. It's not coming from a hose. So we're just assuming there's something wrong with the pump. And since you shouldn't be able to do that, we're going to go ahead and say that's bad. There's this hose and there's should be another hose underneath it somewhere, but we'll get this thing up and out first. We're going to utilize the holes in the front of the power steering pump to get that out. Coming in here should be a 13. We'll see. Yes, 13mm. And then we'll rotate it. Get this other one right here. And last but not least, one right here, very bottom. There we go. There. I'll take that one out because it won't let me rotate it any further. This one. All right, cool. So it's just the screws getting hung up in there. Get a pan ready down here because you're gonna make a mess. And now we got that off. So that they thought the metal crimp and this little whatever the hell was gonna keep it on there. So anyways, they opted for the whole assembly, so it's a whole new used pump, so I don't have to do the pulley or anything, which is, you know, nice for me. So we'll start by putting this hose. Alright, so let me get this straight. So last one, here we go. Last one I couldn't get out, so this one I can't put in. All right, here we go. Since we thought the other one was leaking, this one was nice because it comes with reservoir, the reservoir and everything. All right, so that'll go right here. I put a brand new coupler, whatever these things are called. Got a brand new one. That one was kind of rusty. This isn't the high pressure line, but still, you don't really want it to lose any fluid right here. Okay, it's nice and tight. Now we'll move on to putting those bolts in. Like we did before, we're just going to use the pulley, holes in the pulley to line that up like so. The next one has to go through the metal bracket right there, then through the power steering pump like that, and then out the back. There we go. And the bottom one's pretty much the same, just the bottom one should just line, in theory, should line up now since those two did. Got it. Okay, get that. One. See how old and brittle this old gasket is? Make sure you replace it with the new one provided. Okay, there we go, that's in there. right, that's it. You're going to utilize your old cap, and then you're going to fill it up. We're going to jack it up, turn it left and right until it pumps all this new fluid through, and then we'll fill it up with ATF4 transmission fluid. That's what you need for the power steering fluid on this vehicle, and then call it a day.